Welcome, class of HC. Like the video on your way in and comment present in the comment section below if you are here to become the best version of you. Here are the 4 steps on how to believe in yourself. Step 1. Hold yourself accountable. Accountability is key when it comes to believing in yourself because a person that is accountable is able to recognize their flaws and acknowledge their mistakes. This awareness is instrumental to believing in you because when you can recognize what you are doing wrong and when you are doing wrong, you are better able to do right and thus trust yourself to complete tasks and challenges at hand. Think of this like being in a video game and having the master sword, yet continuously losing battles and getting defeated because you don't know how to use your sword. A person that is not accountable would blame the game and say, "This is impossible, the game is rigged," and probably never end up completing the game. On the other hand, a person that is accountable will recognize that although they have the tools to win, they do not yet have the skill. This would prompt them to work on their techniques and eventually make themselves able to defeat their foes. This awareness will inspire confidence to go forward and reciprocally encourage belief in your capabilities as you grow forward. When you hold yourself accountable, you give yourself your power back. If you are always blaming your life circumstances on someone else or something else, you are literally handing your ability to change and grow to forces that are outside of your control, which leaves you powerless. Step 2. Mind yourself. To mind yourself means to take care of yourself in every way. Taking care of yourself could mean to eat well and get in better shape, but it also means to be respectful and mindful of your own person. This is important because when you have your back, you are able to face the world with a peace of mind. Consider that, for example, if you leave your house and your clothes are clean and on point, you're freshly showered, you smell good, and your teeth are spotless, you have much less to think or worry about when an opportunity presents itself on your journey. Thus, you're able to believe in yourself a little bit more. We often lose belief in ourselves because we don't even give ourselves a fair shot at success, and then we become used to failing and become comfortable with what that person looks like. As the saying goes, be the change that you want to see. If you cover all of your bases before you even step out of the house, no matter what presents itself, you are completely prepared for it, which eliminates doubt and encourages belief in you. Step 3. Know fear versus danger. Always remember, although danger can be very real, fear is always an illusion. To understand this, consider the difference between fear and danger. Danger is you skydiving without a parachute, hoping to land safely, while fear is having a perfectly secured parachute, yet you're stuck mentally because you are concerned about the what-ifs. Danger is your car brakes are not working and you're driving fast on the highway. In contrast, fear is you not wanting to get in a car at all because what if you crash, right? In these scenarios, you can see that danger requires immediate thinking and maneuvering, while fear is based on things that have not yet happened and are unlikely to happen, and therefore cause no immediate threat to your well-being. In both fear and danger, you feel tense and adrenaline kicks in. However, when in danger, the adrenaline is necessary to protect you, while when in fear, it is triggered for no reason and simply paralyzes you in a way. Understanding the difference between fear and danger will help you accept that maybe your failure and your doubts are all in your mind, and the only thing standing between you and your success is you. On the other side of your fear lies a better understanding of yourself and the situation. You are often afraid to believe in yourself because of fear itself. Know the difference and choose to believe you are your way forward. Finally, step 4, take action. Action inspires change, and change inspires better, refined actions, which helps to shape your journey forward. Consider that if you never take action, how do you really know if you can believe in yourself in the first place? Before action is taken, every scenario only lives in your mind and has thus never been. Everything is hypothetical. Action is the remedy to most of your mental ailments because most ailments come from worry about things that will not be, because no actions are even being taken to cause them to be. Action causes change. Give yourself a chance to be. Thanks for your attendance. Before you leave class today, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you here next class on Howell Consultations, the how-to being true to you.